This is Ducky, an innovative travel adapter with an unbelievably compact size. Most travel adapters are bulky and so awkward to carry, and without the things that need charging, sometimes they slip off the wall. To say hello to Ducky, instead of stacking everything in a straight line, we redesigned the travel adapter from the ground up, creating a folding architecture. This unique structure allows Ducky to work in over 150 countries. With a universal socket, it works with plugs from around the world. Ducky comes in a family of models designed for different travelers. First, the Ducky Go, simply the smallest, a universal plug-in socket in the most compact form, designed for the minimalists. Ducky Mini, small with fast charge, universal plug-in socket, plus fast 20-watt USB-C charging, perfect for mobile-first travelers. Ducky Neo, small with more flexibility, modular C7 plug design, universal socket, and 20-watt USB-C fast charging, built for digital nomads. Ducky Pro, power for all your devices, modular C7 for extension cables, dual USB-C ports with up to an incredible 65 watts fast charging, created for power users. Ducky features child safety shutters, surge and short circuit protection, and thermal load control. With GaN technology, Ducky is safeguarded by a self-resetting 6.3 amp smart fuse, so it's safe, powerful, and incredibly compact. And this is Ducky, the most compact travel adapter ever made, ready to explore the world with you.